how to add other story to my story on Instagram without being mentioned. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this guide video I'll show you how you can add other story to your story without being mentioned in it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're aware, let's say that you open the Instagram app, right? And then I just log into one of my accounts in this case, and then once I log into my accounts, basically I'll have the notification that someone has tagged me in a story. So if I want to add this to my story, I can just tap on the add this to your story button. Because I'm tagged in it, I can just tap on the add this to your story option over here, and then I'll be able to add the whole story to my own Instagram story. But let's say that you don't have this option, but you're not tagged in it, you want to add that person's story to your own story, right? How can you do that? The only way you can actually add someone's story to your own story on Instagram is if by taking a screenshot. So all you need to do is just open up that specific photo or that video, and then you should be able to go ahead and then take a screenshot of that specific photo. So I'll just go ahead and take a screenshot in this case, and once I take a screenshot, what I can do is I can just tap on the plus icon over here. I can select that specific photo, and then I can just choose that screenshot. I can crop it to the desired size, and then I can simply go ahead and then actually mention that person if I wanted to be able to add that story to my own story without being mentioned. Because if you're not mentioned, the only way you can add is via taking a screenshot. So hope this video answered a question as to how you can add other story to your story on Instagram without being mentioned. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.